Fully active people, oh yoy, yo, at Christmas time, That is it, people. I hope everybody is all right. Hope everybody's good. If you ain't, press that subscribe button, do the right thing, and press that like button, get the video moving. Today, people, obviously, we're in the Christmas festive season. Sorrel. We have to make some sorrel. And we've got some wicked recipes coming up, so we're going to need some sorrel. So today, we're cooking sorrel. That is it, people. It's that time of year. Sorrel. You know, I'm so upset that I lost my sorrel plant and it died. Oh, imagine having a plant I could pick the fresh sorrel off. Oh, man. But, I say it go, we live in the UK. We got ginger. We got sorrel. That's all we're going to need at this point of the recipe. People, at Christmas time, So sorrel must run. If you don't know already, sorrel is a very traditional drink that people have at Christmas time in Jamaica. Yeah, man. But what we're going to be doing is some other stuff with the sorrel as well. So stay tuned. We're going to be live every day on YouTube up until Christmas. So yeah, let's go, people. First of all, we need to work out how much water we're going to need for the sorrel. I'm thinking about a good four bottles, maybe like 4 bottles of water. Work it out. You can just kind of work it out yourself. So what we're going to do first is the ginger. I'm just going to take off the peel of the ginger and boil that up in the water first. And then we're going to wash the sorrel. Looks like there's a cook on vibe sign in the water, look. All right, this is the eighth pint of water. 8 pints of water in there. Yeah, we chop up the ginger. We're not really chop it up. While that's boiling up and getting, you can just use a spoon and just like scrape it. Scrape it off with a spoon. It's really simple and easy. Yeah, so we're just gonna scrape off the skin and then just like chop it in two and do this piece as well. Yeah, as you can see, we've got the ginger boiling up in the water already. You get me? Once this has started to boil in a little bit more, that's when we will add the sorrel. That is it. That is it. Now it's time for the sorrel. So basically, if you don't know what sorrel is, it's a hibiscus flower, all right? And basically the petals are picked, dried, as you can see. I will show you the plant. If you can see the plant there, yeah, you can see them nice red rose petals. Yeah, man, basically, they just dry them until it's like this, people. And it's such a shame because, like I said, I had a plant. Let me find the plant. Let me see if I can find a clip of the plant that I had. Because we had some on it. It was only a couple flowers, but I wish I would have picked them and just saved them. But, oh well, we are left with this dry, basically flower petals. Yeah. And we're going to wash this first. Yeah, we're going to wash it first. As you can see, people, look, after I've washed them now thoroughly, you can kind of see the kind of petals a bit more. See there? It looks beautiful now. Look at that. So, this is ready to go. So, goes in. Straight away you can see it turns to, look, even in there with the water from where we washed it. It's like dye, it's crazy. Oi, oi! Look how beautiful it looks. It just makes me feel like Christmas. It's a very traditional thing in Jamaica for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? But I think anywhere in the world, man, once the sorrel gets cooking at Christmas time. You hear that? Yeah. It just looks beautiful. It looks like Christmas. It looked like Christmas. Is that a bubble? Got a sorrel bubble. Yeah, man. So basically, we're just going to let it boil up until it's boiling. And then we're going to take it off the heat. Look at that. Look at the colour of the water already. Beautiful, man. Make there. Ooh, nice piece of ginger there. Gee. Oi, oi, a sorrel we are cook. That is it. Fully active. You can smell the aroma from it already. Yeah, man, a good vibe. That is it. Like I say, people, I'm going to be on YouTube every single day up until Christmas. So today is Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. You're going to get an episode. Look at that. So basically today's episode, sorrel, the sorrel drink. Tomorrow, we're going to be getting creative with the sorrel. We're going to be doing a sorrel braised ham ready in time for Christmas Day. And then you're going to get a special Christmas Day as well. Yeah, it's Christmas, people. Cook and vibe. If you ain't done the right thing already, just press that subscribe button and press that like button. Get the video moving. We're fully active. All right, as you can see, boiling up now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the heat, we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna leave it until the next day. Obviously I've pre-done this, so you know what I mean. So tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow, people. That is it, fully active. Yes, people, it's the next day. And we've got our sorrel there. So what we're gonna have to do now is we're gonna have to take out the flowers, we're gonna have to strain it. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do first, and then I'll show you what to do next. Take out all this, people. Get all this out of there. See the ginger there? Oh, this is smelling good this morning. So we just want to get rid of all of like most of the flower petals, so then we can just strain it a lot easier. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. Good vibes. So now, people, we just strain it by doing this. That is it, people. So I've put it into these. I'm just putting it all, because it was quite a lot. I'm gonna put it back in here. Now it's all strained. Now we're gonna add the sugar. Good, I'd say about a cup of sugar. Yeah, I'd say about a cup of sugar at this point. Make sure. You can add honey and stuff as well. But I'm just gonna keep it simple with that. Get that mixed around, people. That's how it tastes. That is it. Christmas time. All right, people. So I actually added a good quarter more cup of sugar there. Ah, that is it now. Yeah. Sorrel. A good vibes, people. All right, tastes beautiful. Tastes really nice. That's a good one. So basically, I'm going to put this into bottles now, people, and get ready for the next episode. sorrel braised ham. Woo! It's going to be a mad thing. But yeah, we've got our sorrel ready. Big up yourselves, people. And I'll see you tomorrow for the sorrel braised ham. Big up.